Hi guys, so I'm out here trying the Sonnywheels right now. The first thing I've noticed, so the board will naturally stay in the down position now. Before they are mounted, it could go either way, but now it will only rest in the down position. Okay, another crucial observation I've just made is that if your board's ever sitting on a downhill, your nose may have prevented it from rolling further down that hill, but with wheels on the front now, it's basically not going to be able to do that. And your nose may have not even prevented the board from rolling away from you. Oh, okay, now it just wants to not... Okay, so yeah, so now, whereas you may have gotten away with just letting the nose catch it, you'll have to definitely put it on its side, which I would typically do anyways if I was letting my board just hang out for a bit. But yeah, now you will certainly have to do that. Also, this is a lake in my town. Well, I guess pond. I guess I should say swimming pool, maybe. Anyway, it's in my town, and I had no idea it was here for 2 years. Found this monster rock. If I can skip it, you have to subscribe. Did you guys hear that big ass frog? All right. And boop, there it goes. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna skip this rock. Alright, I guess you guys are off the hook. One of the things I've benefited from owning a Onewheel is that it kind of takes me places I wouldn't necessarily go if I was on foot. But because I have the Onewheel, I'll go and check them out, and I get to find new spots, which is really fun. But here we are. Very nice. This is day one on the Sonnywheels. Thankfully, I haven't needed to use them yet while riding. I did touch the ground once or twice, but only for split seconds each. Still getting used to that feeling of actually going down on the board. But my first impressions of the wheels, I think they're really good. The build quality is sound. I did touch ground with them and they worked. But some things it will affect is definitely your turn radius and potentially climbing uphill. If there's like obstacles in your way, the wheels could kind of mess you up a little bit. Oh, yep, that big root caused some issues there. Okay, one thing that I didn't touch on that I should have is the price. I think I paid $10 for shipping, which ended up total cost $169.
Ha ha ha, classic comedy.
That being said, they are the mid-range in this type of accessory. There are what is called fangs, and they cost $99. Another accessory made by Carbon something, I'll put it here, and they cost $199, I'm pretty sure. Again, I'll put the price here. I did watch a test video of their product. It looked like by the end of his ride, like the wheels had worn down quite a bit, and I don't know, for that price, I just wasn't interested. And so then I had found the Sonnywheels, and I was like, damn, those look robust. Those look like they're gonna last a long time. They look sturdy, and Sonnywheels has a YouTube account where I'm assuming he's the owner, but he rides on the Onewheel and tests the Sonnywheels out. And so there's the most footage of those wheels working versus like the Carbon or the Fangs, which again have smaller wheels. The Fangs, in my opinion, look the most sleek. But just based off of sheer looks, to me, the Sonnywheels look like they would save you the most in the event of a nosedive. But whether or not you want to shell out the bones is totally up to you. But for me personally, I found it to be worth it. Hopefully this video helps you guys make up your mind on whether or not this accessory is for you. I think I've got all of my remarks out, at least for now, at least for this video specifically. Oop, on a rough ground. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, thanks so much. And I'll see you in the next one.